Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, October 7th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Students, masks are to be worn all the time. Students and teachers are required to wear masks at all times other than when you are eating. Students, the mask is part of your uniform. Please make sure that when you lay out your clothes each night or when you get ready in the morning, you bring your mask with you. Grades. Teachers' grades should be entered and up to date in Schoology. Refer to the grading parameters and make sure that you are on track with entering grades. Also, make sure you are syncing daily or as you are updating your grades. Make sure you are syncing. I will come by to each grade level today on Thursday and follow up with some information from a meeting we attended at Central Office with a couple of tweaks that we need to make and show you how to check your grade averages between Schoology and Power Teacher Pro, and we'll get all of that fixed up. So make sure you're syncing, and I will give you some more updates very soon. The word of the day is halves. A half is half of something. It's the halves are the parts you get when you divide something into two equal parts. So if you divide something into two parts, you get halves. You get two separate halves. Okay? So that is, we are taking one whole and dividing it into two. You get halves. Important dates. We have a lot of dates. October 8th is the last day of the first quarter. Also, we are going to wear red for dyslexia. Now, our school is kind of an advantage here because we have red uniform shirts. So Friday, our teachers, our paras, our students, everybody is going to be wearing red for Dyslexia Awareness. So that's pretty exciting. October 11th is Teacher Work Day, no school for students. October 11th, also the PLP is due. October 12th is the start of the second quarter. The fundraiser begins. That's exciting. October 13th, we have the iReady representative here during extended PE, also our 5th grade Super Scholars. October 14th, we have Reading PLT. October 25th through the 29th, we have Book Fair. October 27th, we have PST during Extended PE, and we also have our 5th grade Super Scholars. October 28th is Read for the Record, and October 29th is going to be a Feel Good Friday, one of my favorites. MCPSS is celebrating Dyslexia Awareness Week by highlighting information about dyslexia and just educating everyone about it. So today, your slide will look like this, and there is a video for you to see. I think the video is titled Things You May Not Know About Dyslexia. So you might learn some new things there. So you can enjoy that after your morning announcements. We have kicked off our Be a Champion and Read campaign. I noticed that there's lots of names going up on our board. I heard Miss Tarver out in the hall talking this morning and saying that she really wished she could get her name on the board. So maybe if somebody wants to help Miss Tarver, get her some books, so maybe she can read her 6 books and take her 6 tests. We will get her up there too. But you read your books, take your test, get your parents to sign your form. When you turn it in, you will get an Alabama or Auburn bookmark, and you will get up on the bulletin board for everybody to see your name, and you will get put into the drawing for the tickets to the Iron Bowl. So that is pretty exciting. So be a champion and read. Also exciting going on in the library is the pumpkin caricature contest. It is that time of year. So we are having a pumpkin decorating contest, and this information either has gone home with you already in your folder, or your teacher's going to be sending it today or tomorrow. So it's going to look like you're going to make it to look like your favorite book character. Please, please, please do not cut on your pumpkin or make a hole in your pumpkin in some way. They won't last near as long that way, so you can decorate the outside. These pumpkins are due in the library with the book character with the book that the character came from no later than October 16th. So make sure you turn your pumpkin in by October 16th. We can't wait to see all of your book character creations. They will be judged on October 19th. Also make sure that you put your name on your pumpkin because you want to get credit for all that awesome work. Speaking of awesome work, we have our very first pumpkin that has been turned in, and it is awesome. Our first pumpkin has arrived for the pumpkin contest. Blaze Rich from Miss Waller's class did an awesome job with his Pete the Cat pumpkin. We can't wait to see all of your creations. So Miss Smith has the counters cleared off in the library. She is ready to see those pumpkins, so we can't wait to see what all you're going to do. We have a shout out here. Shout out to Miss Lee's class. This shout out is from Miss Smith. She wanted to give them a shout out because they all know how to log into Clever and Waggle on their own. Miss Smith saw them working very hard this morning, which would have been yesterday morning. So shout out to Miss Lee's class for working hard and for learning that procedure. Good job, peeps. Also, a shout out to Miss Guidry's class and Miss Washam's class from Miss Gibbs. Miss Gibbs stopped by their classrooms, and both of these classes were very quiet and working really hard when Miss Gibbs stopped by there. They were doing what they were supposed to be doing when there was a visitor in the room. So, awesome job to Miss Guidry's class and Miss Washam's class for being great students and being super quiet when their teacher had a visitor. Excellent work. They were being such good listeners to their teacher. Also, we have a congratulations. Congratulations to the following students who applied and were selected to be the second quarter lunch bunch to partner with Miss Overstreet's class. So, here are those students. We have Zach Watson, Amelia Thompson, Ashlyn Cook Scott, Alyssa Hawthorne, Caitlin Zine, Justin Jasper, Madison Petway, Lucius Fields, Kenyon Griffin, Annalise Campbell, Ayanna Thomas, and Mackenzie Dias. So these students had to write a little bit about why they felt like they would be a good candidate for a lunch bunch, and they were chosen for second quarter. We will have a different lunch bunch on third quarter, so some more friends are going to get to partner with Miss Overstreet's class, who is loving getting to spend time with this fabulous 5th grade group we have this year. Really want to brag on them. It was so hard to pick just these students. We only have so much room. We only have so many desks. But it was super hard because every form that we had turned in was a fantastic reason as to why they thought they should be in the lunch bunch, because this 5th grade group is a pretty spectacular group of kiddos. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.